Okay, so bucket list item of mine is to go on a float plane, and that now gets to happen with Tyax, so I'm super excited to get on the plane.
So that was my sister Emily, and this is my family, and we're headed up to Sky Camp.
I'll give you a safety briefing there.
Oh yeah, ready?
So let's try that.
We took off from Whistler, and for two of us, it was the first time ever having been in a float plane. We flew quietly in awe at the landscapes and glaciers, and I think it started to sink in how much fun it is to fly. After about 45 minutes, we landed at Christina Lake, where we would be staying for the next 3 days.
Bucket list item has been ticked off. Float plane complete.
And with that, it's time to settle in and enjoy the views.
And there goes the plane. So we're here, the only way to know it's plane, but it should be fun. Family time.
This is Sky Camp, and this is what we came here for.
I love the remoteness of this place. Being on a big lake and being the only ones here is pretty special. It's nice to be on our own. We have our own space, and it's not too far away from Vancouver. It's pretty cool.
So this is where we get to stay for the next few days. They have this really cute little cabin for us. They've made up our beds. We had a nice little wood burning stove. And what I'm most excited for is we get to wake up, and then this is what we get to see when we walk out.
Oh, and the food? It was delicious.
So this is like sauteed apples and pork tenderloin with grainy mustard and
Caesar salad. Those are gluten-free croutons.
Oh, unreal.
Just some rice, corn.
Minimum.
Ooh,
There is
just
another 50.
I must say, coming here, it's so nice because there is literally no way that you can be on a phone because there's no Wi-Fi, there's no internet, nothing. So it was so nice to spend the last 3 days with my family and nobody was distracted. So there was hiking, fishing, games, and it was just literally all peaceful serenity and family time, that's exactly what I was looking for.
Being up here reminded me of being a kid, spending our summers on the lake fishing every day. For my dad, this is his element.
I could do this all day.
Nice.
Of course he caught a fish right away. Classic dad.
Your coffee.
You want to have a fish instead?
Oh, nice.
I do not want a fish.
Right over my lap.
Thank you.
You see this? This is my lucky hook. These suckers haven't caught anything. I'm gonna catch the biggest fish. Oh, look at that fish! Mike, you need to be aware I'm going to cast. Oh yeah, that's like right on the money. Okay, fine! Come on.
Everything I own is on me.
Fish.
This is how we spend most of our time, but we couldn't resist getting out to explore some of the area.
track. Whose track? Whose track?
We would follow game paths up the mountains, revealing an untouched wilderness full of life.
Oh, delicious! I think this looks really cool with the light.
I mean, we've done a lot of different activities and fun things, but I think it's been the laughs. We've had a lot of laughs.
Yeah, we have.
We've joked around and played pranks and laughed at each other. It's been just good family time.
Can you take a picture of me and Dad on here?
Yeah.
But for reals, we spend most of our time doing exactly this.
He decided to catch himself a tree instead of a fish.
And just like that, our time was up. We did not want to leave because we felt like a part of the family at Tyax. Like we had found a second home here.
Pretty awesome. Good times.
Good times indeed. The flight home was rather surreal. As we took off from Sky Camp, I could feel this trip turning into a memory. One that I will always cherish. You see, I've gotten really busy lately, and I just don't have as much time as I would like to spend with family, but this trip was a truly great experience, and I'm so lucky that I got to spend it with you, Dan, Emily, Mike, and Ryan.
Weather worked out.
Yeah.
Thank
Have
you.
a safe drive back. That's the dangerous part.
Take care. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, please sub, and a huge thank you to Tyax Adventures, as this was such an incredible trip, and I truly appreciate your support.